Hello and welcome to Evolve Boss Lady Brews. We come up with a series of podcasts and show the journey of women where we dive into inspiring story of every women entrepreneurs. I am your host Neeta Tharwani and here I welcome Ritvija Mehta who is doing amazing business in the sports industry and let's welcome her and talk to her. Hello Ritvija ji.
Hello, Neeta ji.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for hosting me.
A pleasure is all mine. Tell us what sparked an idea for a business like this in the sports field that has even the coaching and the event management as well.
My father was used to play with Mr. Sir Salim Durrani. My husband is an ex Ranji Trophy player from Rajasthan, and my son plays karate. Represents SGFI. So sports in our family gave me the idea of coming up with this venture. Traveling with him to different cities and different places and seeing the hardships sometimes the parents used to face gave me the idea that we should be one stop solution for any parent or any student or any student who needs attention or help. So that's how Sportaholics play dil se shop Sportaholics se came up.
Great, great, amazing. So, virtually walk me through your store. I mean, your goods, your events. What all do you have in your store in your experience center?
We have everything related to cricket, badminton, football, volleyball, basketball, swimming, all different types of shoes related to these events. We have dry fit clothes. We have your volleyball nets, football nets, basketball nets. We do events for Adani, Narayan Guru, and uh, Gitanjali Football Club. And many more events are coming up with us. This is all, and I will request everyone to visit the store so you can have a personal touch
Yes,
to.
yes, that is definitely going to happen. So, what makes you stand out in the market? I mean, what are you giving that extra that is standing out?
That extra is the personal touch, because if you go to I will not to be any criticizing anybody, but if you go to any store, you will we will ask, a customer will ask for something and only that is shown to them. Over here we show you what you have asked and we will also suggest you what you require. The choice is definitely the customers, but our plus point from the others is that we will guide you that this is what you require, and we it's not that you should buy, it's your comfort. But our USP or our positive point is we want to give you the personal touch.
Yes, true. That is amazing. So, what has inspired you about doing this? I mean, what you doing events as well, right? So, tell me more about the events as well. So,
For events, we it's depending upon the client's requirement. Like if you go into corporates generally there are verticals who have internal dissettlement on or different views. So the HR will always want that they come together and work together. That is when our events help us. We ensure that when we are doing that event, both the groups get mixed. So when at the end of the day the event is over, it's more like a family than two different units working together. That's how sports help you to come together rather than staying different.
majorly sports play that role only. Sport bring people together. The if two-person
Yes,
are into same sport, they can gel well as well. So sport play a unique identity in our lives.
they make a player and they definitely make a good human being at the end of the day. That is what I personally believe, because sports definitely teaches you to face defeats.
Oh yes, yes. That is a logic behind it, I'm sure.
And as parents, or as I as a sports shop owner, I will always request parents that please engage your children in one sports activity. मोबाइल से मैदान तक का रास्ता है.
That is amazing. Really, that is amazing. So, any one memorable event that you can think of right now?
uh, we had organized a special event for Gitanjali Football Club. They basically are Bengali club who host their football events during pre and post Durga Puja, and that's when they are doing this, they require help because they are about so many people. It's about 400, 500 people. So that's when we help them to arrange their football ground, their events, their food. And the team is organized by, they have their own teams, but to bring together quarterfinal, semi final, playoffs, that's where we play a role, and we help you to that. Once you give it to us, it's hassle free.
Oh, great. So, you are one-stop solution for them.
For
That is amazing. So, on top of retails, events, coaching, and everything, so whom do you serve and the way of your operations? I mean, how do you do it?
clients do come to us at a walk-in at our experience center. Over here, we ensure that me or my husband are there available for them, so that we can give a personal touch to them and guide them as per their requirement. As far as coaching is concerned, we may ensure that whatever coaching the child has enrolled, and if we have come in a bond with each other to track help the child, then we ensure that we track his tournaments, we keep a track of his regularity, and that's always a surprise check for the child, because if we tell them, then they will we may get a different result, but a surprise check always helps us to know where he lacks and where he has to overcome.
Okay. So, it is for their progresses
Yes,
only.
it is definitely for their progress.
Yes, yes. So, how do you measure progress and success?
Progress is on his tournaments,
Mhm.
and each tournament will give you a success. That's how his success is measured. But at the same time, during that tournament, if he is defeated or if he faces a failure, how to overcome that failure or defeat, we also play a major role, because वहीं से उसको सीखना है कि मुझे आगे जाना है.
जी, जी.
सो वो जो गैप होता है, वो वी ट्राई टू बिल्ड इन, बिकॉज एक बार निराश हो गया तो वो फील्ड पे भी शायद नहीं आए, या उसका जो स्पोर्ट्स का जो है एरेना, वहां पे उसको जाना पसंद नहीं हो, बट वहां पे ब्रिज होना एक बहुत जरूरी. दैट्स वेयर काउंसलिंग हेल्प्स हिम. दैट्स वेयर रेगुलर पुश अप, यू हैव टू गो टुडे, a reminder call, that will give him that Aj you have to go to the practice, brings him, makes him confident for the next tournament.
Right, right. So basically, the phrase "right fits in," डर के आगे जीत
जीत है.
Yes. So basically, there are many people who in sports actually give up. ऐसा बहुत सारे बच्चों के साथ होता है कि स्पोर्ट्स में कभी डिफीट आई तो उन्होंने गिव अप कर दिया. So that time you guys counsel them and you push them
Yes.
and bring them back to the field.
Yes,
That is a good cause you are doing.
we
for
try
them.
our level best, but that apart from us, parents also play a major role to this.
Mhm.
बस हम कर सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स का भी उतना ही सपोर्ट चाहिए.
Exactly. So those who ask for, they will get it.
या
Yes.
दिस इज जैसे ताली दो हाथ से बजती है,
Yes.
हम एक हाथ हैं तो दूसरा भी वो सामने से वो होगा तभी जाके.
So I want a little clarity about the coaching. So you guys actually set up a coaching?
No, we are associated with different coaches at different levels, say district level, state level, national level. We are associated with them. So if a parent or if the child requires and we basically prefer to give that help from intermediate level,
Okay.
because basic, so he is doing it somewhere,
Hmm.
he has to go to the next step. So
Hmm.
when that jump is required, you require a specific coach or a specific area or a specific team to help you do that.
Hmm.
That's where we play a role. We will help associate with you, with the coach. The
Yes.
parents and the children meet, it's up, then the coach takes over. Then it's the coach who decides which level he is ready to play.
Hmm.
The registration and everything is done by the coach and the parents itself, but we help you bridge that gap.
Okay.
And then we do keep a progress where your child needs help, or what he requires.
Right. Right. So managing basically three verticals right now, like sporting store and experience center, then a coaching thing and a event as well in the sports thing. How do you keep this running? The entire process basically.
It's a teamwork.
Yes.
I manage the store, my husband manages the rest of the things, from inventory to sales with the corporates, or to licensing with the coaches and helping to keep a check on the children's progress. That's where he plays a major role. He's out on the field to keep a track of everything.
Right. So it is a family setup, but a
Yeah,
teamwork basically.
teamwork.
Yes, yes, it is very much required right now. Do your coaching clients also come to events to shop or at the store?
Yes, they do come to us, because those kids who are associated with us, they get a special discount on the
Sports
products,
goods.
sports goods that we have.
Okay.
And if they require certain things, we can help them negotiate and get a better rate.
Okay.
So they do come to us.
Right. So no journey is without the obstacles. What challenges have you seen in this field?
Basic challenge is e-commerce and online.
Oh,
Blinkit, Swiggy, because nowadays even small balls are available on Blinkit and Swiggy. But the thing is, when you see and you feel, that's the difference.
yes.
On online you can get at 60 rupees also, but that same thing actually is worth 90 rupees, but you have to feel it.
Hmm.
Without the feel, and we have so many experiences where uh, parents have ordered kits online and then received half of what they have paid. So that's then, when they come to us, they say, हमने तो ये प्राइस देखा था ऑनलाइन, बट इतना ही आया.
Hmm.
तो
Right.
and certain things have to be practically worn to feel to use it. Everything on online, like जैसे क्रिकेट का किट है वो आप ऑनलाइन परचेज करोगे, बट साइज तो आपको आएगा, उसके बाद आप चेंज कर पाओगे, नहीं कर पाओगे.
Yes.
दैट्स अ बिग हैसल. वो
Actually.
चला जाएगा, फिर वापस आएगा. वो पूरा एक प्रोसेस है, उसमें जितना आपने डिस्काउंट दिया उससे ज्यादा तो आपने, यू हैव यूज्ड योर एनर्जी.
Yes.
So we always, it's a request, or it's something that parents should, for these things the parents should trust the experience centers or stores, where we can personally guide you through each thing.
And you have been doing this from how many years?
We incepted in 2023. That's where,
Okay.
when we started with the schools and everything, and officially we launched our store in April 24. It's
Okay.
been 1.5 year now.
Great. Great. So journey has become very good as you see, and you have already started into events and coachings as well with the
Yes,
store. What keeps you going in this field?
the children and the smile on their face always keeps me going in this.
Okay. So the amount of love you get from those children is the inspiration for you.
Yes,
That
and a
is amazing.
positivity towards a better
Okay.
future of sportaholics.
Yes. What's next for you and your business now?
Next is, we plan to take this to a franchisee level, where we can, replicate the same model in different cities of Gujarat, and then later to the national level.
Okay. So for aspiring sports people, what do you suggest them? What is your advice for them?
Never give up on your dreams. Any one sport is always required, is the need of the day. One sport teaches you a lot of things, from success to failure is what sports teaches you, and that's,
And that is that applies to life as well.
yeah, and you learn a lot of life lessons from sports, I believe.
Yes.
That's my personal belief that जैसे एक बच्चा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज वन चाइल्ड, उसको सब एक लेवल का ही मिला है, बट व्हेन यू गेट इनटू स्पोर्ट्स, वो जनरल में बैठ के सफर करने से लेके टू दैट मेडल, दैट इज अ जर्नी फॉर हिम. So that is a life experience for him that nowadays sometimes children lack the lack that journey. That is what I feel.
Yes, yes.
And I do request parents that please teach your child, or ensure that they play at least one sport.
Yes, that is very much necessary right now. वो कहा जाता है ना कि एक स्पोर्ट होता है तो it keeps you sane as well, you know. Ritwija, your energy was super high. We got to know about so much about the sports industry, how it is functioning, your store, your event company, your coaching associations. So it was so lovely to have you. So where can our listeners and viewers can find you so that they also get benefited?
We are based in Shela, Vishwanath Samam, shop number 12, just opposite Club 07. Is our experience center, Monday to Saturday from 10:30 to 9, and Sunday from 11 to 5.
And what is your Instagram handle?
@Sportaholics is our Instagram handle, and you can connect to me on 999-810-9040 anytime. And we do give you video call service, so you can select your product online, and then later you can collect it from my residence or from my shop, or porter.
Yes, yes. Delivery options are there.
Yeah.
Yes. So thanks again everyone for tuning in. If you like or you got inspired, do share this video with your family and friends. Do connect us for more of such insights and keep evolving. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Neeta
much.
ji.